Alright, what is going on, everybody? It's Levi from Wall Street Survivor, and this is the first video of 2021. As you probably noticed, I grew a beard over winter break, and I am probably the only finance YouTuber with a beard. So, welcome to the new year. If you wear shoes, you've probably heard of StockX before, but if you haven't, here's a quick intro. StockX was founded a few years ago by a guy named Josh Luber who wanted to take advantage of the sneaker resale market. At the time, the sneaker resale market was valued at $1 billion a year, and it continues to grow. Josh wanted a place where buyers and sellers could meet, and ultimately a place where buyers could trust that the sneakers they were buying weren't fake. See, at the time, the sneaker resale business was the largest unregulated legal market in the world. Think about what I just said. The largest unregulated legal market in the world. That presented a huge opportunity for there to be some sort of online marketplace for sneaker sellers and sneaker buyers to meet each other. Out of this idea came StockX, the stock market of things. As StockX has grown in popularity over the past few years, we've gotten a lot of inquiries about whether the site is legit or not on Wall Street Survivor. Well, think about what I said earlier. The sneaker resale market is the largest unregulated legal market in the world, which makes it fascinating for people who study emerging markets, finance, and economics. See, how it works is a lot of times these exclusive companies will drop very limited editions of certain shoes, and those shoes will retail at a certain price, sell out almost instantly, and then a day or sometimes even a few hours later, those shoes will be worth way more than what they were originally sold for. This fascinates investors, entrepreneurs, and people who are trying to make side hustle money. So I thought it might be interesting to look into StockX, what purpose it serves, how it's brought this entire marketplace to one central location, and ultimately answer the question for you guys, is StockX legit? If you aren't super clear about what StockX is, you can read the article that's on our website. I'll throw a link in the description below. One thing that's super important to understand is that the sneaker resale market is full of fakes and frauds. Originally, StockX's main selling point was their authentication. They set up centers across the country that would allow them to serve as a middleman between the buyer and the seller in order to make sure that the buyers were getting authentic, real, dead stock shoes. Dead stock meaning the shoes were brand new and had never been worn before. StockX's legitimacy was backed from the very early days by Dan Gilbert, the billionaire behind the Cleveland Cavaliers and Quicken Loans. So from day one, things were looking good. Quickly after the company was founded, it was able to secure celebrity endorsements and investments from Eminem, Mark Wahlberg, Joe Hayden, and Tim Armstrong. Almost immediately after the site launched, it began getting massive press coverage. Today, you can find articles about StockX on The Daily Show, SportsCenter, CNBC, The New York Times, Bloomberg, and even Fortune. Now, secondly, as a financial education company, we're very accustomed to qualifying legitimacy by a company's business performance metrics. Some of those that we look at are sales, reviews, and growth. Now, StockX only has a few years of past performance in the books, but based on the past few years, things are looking pretty good. StockX boasts $2 million in daily sales, which adds up to over $700 million in sales per year. StockX is available worldwide and has facilitated the sale of luxury goods in over 140 countries. It has already topped eBay as the #1 sneaker reseller, and it's grown massively, now employing over 700 people. As far as business performance metrics go, this is pretty good, and especially good considering the company is only a few years old. If you look at customer reviews and testimonials, the story gets even better, and StockX has done a really good job of legitimizing themselves as a trustworthy marketplace for the sneaker and luxury goods resale market. Now, by looking on their website, reading their customer reviews, and looking at their business performance metrics, you can tell StockX is legit. But there's nothing better than a little bit of personal experience. I've bought and sold many pairs of shoes on StockX over the past few years. I was a little bit of a sneakerhead myself at one point, and I can tell you firsthand that the experience has been seamless and smooth every single time. If you're looking to buy or sell expensive shoes or any other luxury goods, my conclusion is that StockX is absolutely legit. That's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you liked the little bit of variation we took away from our normal content. Please let me know by commenting down below if you want me to do more videos like this. Give us a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the Wall Street Survivor channel. See you guys next time.